What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add motion blur to your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Motion blur can enhance the visual appeal of your projects by creating a sense of speed and fluidity, making your videos more dynamic. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video clips by going to the file, then go to import or dragging the files directly into the project panel. As you can see, I have mine already open. Next, select the sequence where you want to add motion blur. Now go to your project panel located on the bottom left of your screen. Right-click inside the panel and select New Item. On the options, select the adjustment layer. Drag and drop the adjustment layer from your project panel to your timeline and make sure it is above your main clip. Now go to Effects and find Transform. Simply drag and drop this one to your adjustment layer on your timeline. Next, head to Effects Controls located at the top right corner of the screen. Locate the Transform Effects section over here. Click on the scale or the stopwatch icon under Transform. Then uncheck the Composition Shutter Angle. Now on the shutter angle, type in 360 to change the value. Now move the timeline slider about 20 frames and change the value of the scale under Transform to 300. And there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.